So again, caught a little bit of the news while my coffee was percolating this morning, and although none of them are really worth watching, the ones that I leave the set on are Fox, and that's because I know all the characters, and they are characters. What they said this morning was interesting. If you've been watching my videos over the past few days, I've posted a whole series of videos of Hillary's uncontrollable coughing fits. And what Fox highlighted is that out of the three major competitors that provide news, only one mentioned the coughing fits, and they gave a 15-second clip, or they talked about it for 15 seconds. The others simply ignored it, like it never happened. If we had a true government, and if Donald becomes president, which I don't see how he can, but if he does, he needs to shut down these propaganda machines. That's what they all are. Sadly, so is Fox. They're all propaganda machines. They try to win the minds and hearts of Americans by feeding them bullshit. We're so used to receiving bullshit, we don't know what's true anymore. We don't know what's real anymore. Even when we see videos like those beheadings, like Sandy Hook, like the Boston Marathon bombing, like the Virginia shooting. I could go on, but you're sort of getting the picture. Totally and completely insane. You've heard me say that before, haven't you? Thanks for listening.